welcome to my channel. Lately I've been getting into fix dampening mechanisms on turntables, and I did one on the Rega RB300 arm. The arm was dropping too fast, and the same thing with the ARXA turntable. I did one on those too where the arm was dropping too fast. And here's a Garrard Lab 80 turntable, and the same issue. The arm is dropping too fast. And I looked on YouTube and couldn't find any videos, so I decided, well, maybe I should do some on my own. So here we go. This is the Garrard. Now, if you notice right here, there's a little bar, and this bar goes up and down. And there's a little hook right here, and this is what makes the arm go up and down. All right, a little lever. Now, if you turn the turntable on, it's not going to go on now because it's not plugged in, and put the arm over the platter and press this button right here, the arm goes down, and it was going down very quickly. I've already repaired this one, so it's working fine now, but it was dropping too fast, and of course you're going to break your needle or damage the record as well. So if we take a look at it, first I'm going to put the arm back here and take the platter off. And let me just raise it up a little bit here. Okay. Now, if you notice, and I'll bring the camera a little bit closer. There we go. This mechanism right here, there's a spring right here. Okay. And this pulls down. Of course, it's in the up position, and the spring gives attention to raise and lower the arm. Now, if you pull this piece all the way down, unhook this little hook right here, take that back a little bit, and press this all the way down, and you can see right here, there's a spring. Let me get it a little bit closer. There's a spring, and that's where, and you push it all the way down, and you want to put some silicone right around that spring. This is the silicone that I used, 100K CST, and just dab it right in here, right in here. Now I'm going to turn the turntable over for a minute, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so if you press down on that bar on the Tonearm, and you can see this little metal piece right here that pops up. This is where I put the silicone, right around here, right around here. And it seemed to work fine. I'll show you that in a minute as soon as we turn it over. And also there's a little lever right here. I thought maybe you could put some silicone in here. I didn't yet, but that's a possible place for it too. The one problem about putting it, sorry about the camera action here, about putting it here is that when you turn the turntable over, it may run out, which is probably the reason why the arm was dropping to it quickly, because this stuff probably runs out. But it's pretty thick silicone stuff, so it should stay okay. So here you go. You can see it a little bit better here. That metal piece right here. That's where you want to put it. Right on there. All right. What I did is I put it in there and waited a few hours so that it would soak all the way down into the bottom of the shaft. And we'll see how it works. Okay, well, it's been about an hour or two since I put the silicone on the damper Q lever. Let's see how it works. So you put the needle over the record, press manual to turn it on. Of course, it's not plugged in right now, so the turntable is not spinning. And then set the release down, and you can see it goes down very gently. Then press the manual button to raise the, it's a very strange concept on this turntable. This lowers it, and this raises it. But as you can see, it's going down very gently, and that's what we want. So please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.